Hi, I'm here with Al Martinez, our Director of Sales for Mercury Floor Machines, and I'm extremely excited about our latest generation wet and dry vac called the Storm. It's a 20-gallon dual motor upright, and it is a tremendous value for the price point. Al, why don't you share some of the features and benefits of this one?
Sure. Oh, it's a dual motor, as you said. Those motors are 2.7 horsepower each.
So plenty of power.
Plenty of power, independently switched. So let's say you're working on a restoration job and you don't have a lot of amperage, you can just turn one motor on. If you need extra lift, need extra suction, you can turn them both on. So working our way down here, we have the galvanized latches, nice and rugged, easy to open. Pop the lid off.
Now I noticed the handle for lifting the hood off.
Absolutely.
It's got a recess, which is great. Sometimes you'll want to store when you're outside your hand tools or cleaning agents or
Scraper.
just anything you may be using. Exactly. I know that our gang in Hawaii with the cleaning company really like the utility of that.
Absolutely. We have the motor filter. It's a rugged, thick, heavy
Very
cloth.
generous. Yeah, I like that.
Stitched all the way around, really durable. And inside, you have plenty of ribbing, so it's going to last a good long while.
Now we got a 20-gallon capacity. One of the things I love about this one is the quality and the flexibility of the hoses. And for a particular piece of equipment at this price point and in this value line, much higher quality than one might expect.
Yep.
Non-static, non-crushable, every single one of them. Very flexible, very easy and comfortable to work with.
Absolutely. Inside, you have a deflector, so any debris that might be coming in is going to get shot right down to the bottom of the vacuum as opposed to into the motor housing.
Great. Now I notice also we got the front mount squeegee on this particular arrangement.
Yep, 25.5-inch front mount squeegee. Independent casters for independent adjustability. Casters mounted to the front, not to the rear, so no damage to your surface or to your finish. Also spring-loaded and adjustable in the back, so not only side to side, but front to back.
I also like the durability of the metal versus plastic. Big difference. Not only do others have the wheels behind, which often will streak, but they're light. The heavy-duty metal is not only battleship strong and very, very durable, but what I like best about it is also adds another dimension of stability to the machine. So the weight of this particular squeegee is a real benefit to a lower center of gravity, which is going to help avoid any kind of tippage, which is always a concern when you're stripping and waxing.
Absolutely. Speaking of stability, the base itself has generous casters in the back that are non-marring.
Let's move this around and have a look.
Quiet operating, as well as 2 swivel casters in the front. So easy, great mobility and ease of use.
I like the handle height as well, and you've got the comfort grips, which really work. There's another feature that I really like, and it's the tip and pour, and it's so simple. You just
Disconnect the front hose and tip
Bingo.
and pour.
So that would be an application, for an example, if you're going to use it in the toilet. Again, as we said, with regard to easier drainage accessibility, if you've got a floor drain, it's just as simple as that. And again, everything with a really high quality tether to it. I like that as well.
Yep. Why don't you tell us a little bit about the accessories, Bill?
Well, we got a heavy-duty wand, which I really like. It's an S wand, it's ergonomic. It's shown here with our scalloped brush floor tool, which is great for both tile floors, concrete hard surfaces, or carpet. One of the things I like about it is not only is it ergonomic and very strong, because the wand's your first thing to go. You'll notice that in wet and dries, the wand usually wears out before the vacuum does. But it's also got rollers for when we have the carpeted surface, and that of course would be used in accordance with your filter.
And the chrome finish makes it easy to wipe down if you do get it soiled during the...
Looks great. Again, we've got the crush-proof hose, which has a lot of flexibility. I really like the quality of this. And that can be used in conjunction with 3 other tools. Again, with the wand, we've got the wet and dry floor tool with the squeegees. And then we've got two other dust busters. One, the crevice tool in the hard to reach places, baseboards, high areas, in the deep crevices of furniture. And then our dust buster, which is the 3-inch brush, which is great for
Vents, ceiling
tops
fans.
of ceiling fans, any of the areas where you want some level of abrasion without doing any damage. So strong enough to knock the dust down, but not hurt anything. Simple, but really functional. We've incorporated this little basket, which, as you see, hangs very conveniently right on the back of the wet and dry. And it just makes everything available and on hand for you. And again, doesn't add any weight, doesn't get in the way. It's the perfect spot for the perfect accessory. So when you look at the extraordinary value and the high performance of the Storm and you match it or pair it up with any of our high quality Mercury scrubbers, it's just a perfect marriage. The 20-gallon dual upright comes in both poly as well as chrome. Do we have a chrome one over there, Al?
Yep, right here.
And again, the price points make each one of these just a tremendous value. Try it, you'll like it. We're going to take the industry by storm. Be a part of it.